Good morning, dear students. In this video lecture, I will be teaching you the very first chapter, number. Now, I hope everyone knows what is number. But to give an introduction to this number, I would say that if I say the distance between Durga Mandir Chowk, Durga Mandir Chowk to St. Joseph Jhaja, St. Joseph School, Jhaja is equal to 1231 meter. Now what are these are called? This is a number, that means we can read it as 1231. I hope everyone knows to read. I hope everyone knows how to write. Now what is this 1? What is this 3? What is this 2 and this 1? These all are symbols. These all are symbols for a layman, a person who don't know to study or who don't know what is that. They will think that these are just a design, a symbol which may be representing something. But for us, as we are teachers, you are student, you all are studying, you will be saying that these all are actually digits. One is one digit, 3, 2, these all are individually called as digits. But for a layman, it will be a symbol, it will be a design, some pattern, something written on board. So when we say, so what do you understand? That a number is always formed. A number, a number is always formed with the help of digits. For example, if I write 26, this is what? This is a number. Now what is 6 here? 6 is digit. What is 2 here? This is another digit. So in Indian system or in our numerical forms, how many digits we have actually? We have digits called 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total how many digits are there? There are total 10 digits. There are total 10 digits to represent the infinite set of numbers, to represent infinite numbers. So my dear students, you have to write all these things whichever I am writing on board. So while listening to this lecture, you all are supposed to listen plus simultaneously you write in your classwork copy. Now another example to understand number, like if I write cost of bread is equal to 25. So this is what? This is one number, rupees 25. This is symbol. Okay, leave it. Now this is 25. Here 2 is what? And 5. These all are called digits. This is another digit. Now I hope you all understood what is number and how do we write a number. A number is written with the help of digit, with the help of combination of digits. Now next part that I am going to discuss is what are place values. Now what are place value? Right now I have written 25. Before this I wrote, or let me take another number 25. Then if I write 231, if I write 453, 4532, all these numbers have digits. It is having 2 digit, here you are having 3 digit, here you are having 4 digit, and then you can have 5 digit, 6 digit, 7 digit, n number of digits. It can go up to infinity. Now what is the place value. What is the meaning of place value? That means here you are seeing 2 is here. Here you are seeing 2 is at this place. Here 2 is at this place. 3 is at this place and 3 is again at this place. So place. Place means position. What is the value? What is the position of this 2? What is the position value or place value? So in Indian system, what we have from the right hand most side, the first digit is called at ones place. Then second digit is called at tens place. Here if I don't have any number, then this one will be again ones place, tens place, then this will be at hundreds place, then ones place, tens place, hundred place, and then this one will be at thousand place. Okay, so I will draw one table in which it will be clearly written what are the positions of any number. As you can see, my dear students, I have drawn one table in which I have written here numbers. This is 2543213029762230, and then here I have written the position. I have said the rightmost hand side is called ones place, then tens place, and so on. So this is the rightmost hand side. That means it is 5. It will go in ones position. This is at second position from the right hand side, so it will go in tens position. Now you see this one, this will go at ones position, this will go at second position, then 3 hundreds position, then here 4. Here you see 9 2 0 3. If I add one number, I can write here 1 also, here 1. Now you see 7620 0 3 2 6 7 9. Take it. So you can see the various numbers. 2 5 is written in ones position and then tens position. 4 3 2 1. Now what did you observe? That these all numbers in this first number 25 1, that this number 2, that digit 2, sorry, the digit 2 is at tens position. In second case, this 2 is again in the second position. Okay, let me change. Now in third number, you see this 2 has come up to here. That means 100 position. Then here it is again in 100 position. Here again it is in 100 position. Now you see 5 is in ones position. 4 is in thousands position. 3 is in 100 position. Here 1000 position. 6 is in 1000 position. Here 9 was earlier in ones position. Here 9 is in lakh position. So what I want to explain you here is that a digit can have any position. It can sit in any place. A digit can sit in any place. If it is at ones position, it will form ones digit. If it is at 100 position, it will be called as 100. If it is at tens position, it will be called as tens. Now you see this 2 5, this means 2 tens. If you want to write this number, how you are going to write? 2 tens plus 5 ones. I hope this you have studied in lower class. 2 tens 5 ones is equal to 25. That means 25 is equal to 2 tens plus 5 ones. Now 4 3 2 1. You will write 4 3 2 1 is equal to 4000 plus 300s plus 2 tens plus 1 1. So this is the meaning. Likewise, you will write all the other remaining numbers. So this is the meaning of numbers and its place value. That a digit, a number can have various digits, and those digits can sit in any place to form new numbers. So this is called place value. Now there is another term that is called face value. Face value means a 2 will always be called as 2 everywhere. be it be here, it will be called 2. Here also you will read this as 2 only, right? 2, 2. Here also you are going to read this as 2. Here also 2. Everywhere, wherever you will see the same symbol, same digits, you will be calling this as 2. That means a digit can have different position, but its face will remain same. The face is like 2, you will be calling as 2. Like suppose you are Ram, you will be called Ram by everyone. You will be called Ram by everyone, be it be your friend, be it be your parents, be it be your teachers, be it be your company manager, whosoever it is. Now in the same way, this face is not going to change. This 2 will always be called as 2 anywhere, be it be in India or abroad, be it be in Jharja or in Patna. Here this 4 position, it is called 4 here also. Here we don't have any 4. Now you see here 3. 3 is in tens position. Here 3 is in tens position. 3 is in thousands position. Then also these all 3 numbers will be called as 3 only. So this is the meaning of face value. So to summarize these two things, place value and face value, I will say that the digits in a place value system or in an Indian system or any system, the digits may change its position depending upon the numbers or depending upon the formation of numbers, whereas the face of any number will remain same. Face of any digit will remain same.